Title: Goalkeeper, the guardian of the net. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word goalkeeper. A goalkeeper is a player in various sports, such as soccer or hockey, responsible for defending the team's goal, preventing the opposing team from scoring. It's a term that signifies the last line of defense and unwavering dedication. Pronunciation: pronouncing goalkeeper is simple, goalkeeper, with a soft G and a long O. Use in a sentence. For example, the goalkeeper made a remarkable save, preserving the team's lead and securing the victory. Importance: goalkeepers are critical to a team's success, displaying quick reflexes, courage, and determination to protect the goal and ensure victory. Conclusion: in summary, goalkeeper is a word that represents the ultimate protector in sports, the guardian of the net. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, salute the dedication and skill of goalkeepers in the world of sports.